In this video, we are going to cover an important library called as Scipy. Scipy is a scientific library of Python, and using Scipy library, you can do a complex mathematical operations. Scipy normally used with a combination of NumPy to cover more feature of mathematics, complex operations. Okay, let's start with Scipy. So first, I'm importing Scipy. Now from Scipy, I'm going to take a special function called cbrt, and I'm going to find out the cube root of that. Okay, great. We can do next complex operation, that finding out the exponential of it. So cube root is very complex way of finding out, and with the Scipy we can do it in just one or two tick. Suppose I want to find out the eigenvalue and eigenvector in the array. So first I will create two array, and I have to take a help of NumPy. So array is created. Then I'm going to find out the determinant for this. Then I'm going to find out the inverse of this, and we can find out the eigenvalue and eigenvector of that also. So we are going to represent the invert, determinant, and finally eigenvalue and eigenvector also. So this is the way we can able to find out anything which is required to calculate for eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay. Now suppose you want to integrate x square from 0 to 1. So this is a limit from 0 to 1. I want to integrate x square. I will use lambda function for that, and direct integral is also available with the Scipy. So you can see all the complex operations with Scipy is possible. So when I run this, I'm going to get the integration part of it. So let's restart it. Sometimes it gives error. Okay. So we are going to get the integration out of it after restart. Yes. So this is the integration for x square, and this is the value of c, constant of integration. So there are so many other operations with Scipy possible. So I have covered some of the complex operation possible with Scipy. You can try others from official website also.